Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and licensing. Make sure your Series X, HDMI cable, and TV or AV receiver support Dolby Atmos. Next, open the store and install Dolby Access. If you plan to use Atmos for headphones, complete the in-app purchase. Once done, sign into your Xbox account and check for system updates so the audio stack is current. These essentials let you change the console's output to a bitstream format that carries Dolby Atmos metadata to your device. Now configure the audio path. Go to Settings, General, Volume, and Audio Output. Set HDMI audio to bitstream out so the raw Dolby signal passes to your receiver or TV, and then select Dolby Atmos for home theater if you have an AV receiver, or Dolby Atmos for headphones if you purchase that option. After that, open the Dolby Access app and follow its guided setup. Calibrate speaker layout or choose the headphone profile, so the system maps channels and applies the correct rendering for spatial audio. Finish by testing playback. Launch an Atmos-enabled game or the Dolby demo in Dolby Access and listen for object-based spatial cues. If you don't hear Atmos, make sure the TV or receiver accepts Dolby Atmos pass-through on the HDMI port and that the Xbox's HDMI audio is still set to bitstream out. Once done, power cycle the console and receiver, confirm firmware updates, and rerun Dolby Access calibration. If problems persist, try another HDMI cable or port before contacting support for device-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.